With the U.S. growing at 2% or less this year, and with many European economies in recession, even smaller American companies see exporting to China as their best chance for growth. One U.S. company even went on a trade mission to China in hopes of boosting its business there.
Rope manufactured at Yale Cordage in the U.S. state of Maine is used in everything from boats to tree maintenance to oceanographic buoy moorings.
I'm really making very high-performance, high-tech, high-quality products.
Bill Putnam, president of the company, says having a wide variety of products helped his firm survive the recession. Not one of its roughly 100 employees were laid off despite the economic slump.
Revenue at the company grew by 20% last year, and sales are on track to grow by the same amount in fiscal year 2012. Part of the company's strategy is to focus on China, where it currently has a very small presence.
Products made by Yale Cordage are currently used in China's offshore oil exploration industry. But Putnam hopes this rope, that's the size of a steel cable but twice its strength, will be used in the construction of Chinese electrical utility plants.
Really, the technology there is similar to what it was here in the States maybe 30 to 40 years ago, much more centered on heavy wire. And while that may have a place, there's certainly a big opportunity to bring a lightweight synthetic in that does a better job safer.
Putnam recently joined 12 other Maine companies on the state's first trade mission to mainland China. Janine Carey, president of the Maine International Trade Center, says the goal is to boost Maine's exports to China to help create more jobs in the state.
We base our trade missions on surveys in terms of, where do the businesses want to go, where do they see opportunity, and China, was #1 on the lists.
Imports from China still far exceed America's exports to China. But over the past 5 years, Maine exports to China have ballooned, growing almost 100%, making China the state's third largest export market. From Putnam's perspective, the trade mission to China was a success.
So we've had increase, we've had quote opportunities, we've had some genuine interest from a couple of the distributors we met with.
He expects to close up to $5 million in sales to China over the next 5 years. Karina Huber, CCTV, Maine.